If you are new to Google Earth, this video will help you visualize the 3D elephant seal track KMZ file. First, drag and drop the KMZ file into Google Earth. It might take a second to load. Now, to zoom into a particular part of the track, use the right mouse button, click and hold, and drag the cursor towards you. To pan along the surface of the Earth, use the left mouse button, click, hold, and drag the cursor towards you. This section is particularly interesting as the animal is feeding over a seamount. Let's zoom into that section. Again, we can use the right mouse button, click, hold, and move the cursor towards you. Now to change the vantage point, if I hold down the Shift button and the left mouse button, that enables me to change the vantage point below the surface of the water. Now using just the left mouse button, I can maneuver in this three-dimensional environment near the seamount and see all of the dives the elephant seal has done in this region. Have fun exploring!